Welcome to Roost Vans and our latest build, Nakanishi. On this 144 wheelbase Sprinter, we did a core build with smooth rail mounting system, upper as well as lower. We also put in two upper cabinets with a mid shelf, our switch plate panel with heater, a couple of inset window panels, as well as our flip up kit bed system. Underneath the bed system, we went ahead and put in a power station cabinet with a Goal Zero 3000 power station. This was a more simplified build where we left the mid-wall treatments of the van unfinished. We also put in a couple of van-made gear insulated window shades and our mounting brackets that allow for a mule bag to be installed onto our smooth rail mounting system. Now we also have our bamboo vent fan trim ring. We have a flip-up kit for our bed system installed in the back as well that comes down super easy. And also we have our special mattress for our flip-up kit bed system that has zippered seams and launderable fabric. In this build we also installed some speakers in the upper rear doors on both sides. Some point-of-use lights, under cabinetry lighting controlled on our switch panel. Check us out at roostvans.com.